Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
A chirping smoke detector means the battery is low. Replace it immediately to keep your home safe. If the noise continues, the detector might be malfunctioning or too old. Regularly test your alarm and replace units every 10 years to prevent false alarms and protect your home. Don't ignore that chirp. Act now.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.